This is the Ratchet Modular Crimping Tool for RG174, 178, and more. This crimp tool is a professional-grade ratcheting tool with a hardened steel die set and comes with a lifetime warranty. It is suitable for crimping connectors onto RG174, RG178, RG179, RG180, RG187, RG198, RG316, RG58, SMC100, and LMR100 coaxial cables. The Ratchet Modular Crimping Tool for RG174, 178, and more is a perfect tool for all your cabling projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.